Hi folks, I'm Steve Brents and I want to welcome you to
Creekside at Camp Verde.
Come take a ride with me and see everything this beautiful new hill country community has to offer you and your family.
Creekside at Camp Verde offers a better way of living in the beautiful Texas Hill Country.
The land is absolutely gorgeous. We've got tremendous views. We've got great pastures. We've got 1.5 miles of just gorgeous Verde Creek that runs right through the middle of it. Some of these lots are going to be creek frontage. Some of these lots are going to have views like I've got right behind me. We're up probably 2,000 feet elevation. So great views, great build sites, great land, just a beautiful place to call home. Plenty of modern conveniences have been incorporated into the community, including a gated entrance, paved and private roads, underground electricity, high-speed internet, and much more. We'll also have a limited number of beautiful creekfront home sites available. This is a great opportunity to get away from the hectic daily grind of the city and live at a slower pace.
One of the things that really sets apart Creekside at Camp Verde is its location.
Man, you are just so close to everything. Bandera, Comfort, downtown Kerrville, which is where you're going to do most of your shopping, your doctor visits, stuff like that. And of course, you know, we're close to Boerne, Texas. And then San Antonio is just a quick 45 minutes if you need to catch a plane to go somewhere. So you're really just getting the best of everything being in this little location. You've got 3 great little hill country towns and 1 great little hill country city just right here in your backyard. Our company has over a half century of experience in the land development business, so enjoy the peace of mind when buying your property from us. Our friendly and knowledgeable sales team will guide you smoothly through your purchase from beginning to end, and we never put time frames on our customers, so enjoy the freedom to build now or build later to create the new Texas Hill Country home of your dreams. Excellent land financing is available, so it's never been easier or more affordable to own land than right now.
Don't wait. Give us a call today at 877-888-7579 or visit creekside at campverde.com. We'll see you soon at Creekside at Camp Verde.